This video is about heart. Heart is called Hriday in Sanskrit, Cardia in Greek. That's why doctors of heart are cardiologists. It is like motor of our body, but it pumps blood instead of water in the pipes called vessels. Heart's outline is like an inverted pyramid. For this video, we will assume this shape as heart. Contrary to the belief, the heart is aligned to central line of body and not in the left. It is not a straight pyramid in the central line, but actually it is directed obliquely to the left, so that its major portion with its apex lies in the left to the central line. That's why it's believed that heart is situated in the left, but it's not completely true. Heart is made up of 4 chambers, 2 upper and 2 lower. Upper ones are connected to lower ones through a small gate called valve, which is present near every connection. This valve open and close according to pressure changes. The function of heart is to pump blood, so as every material in blood like food you eat, oxygen you breathe can be reached to every part of body, especially brain. Let's understand how it works. Let's separate pyramid chambers for ease of understanding. Used blood that is without oxygen comes into right upper chamber through vessels. When this chamber contracts, the pressure inside it increases so that the valve below it opens and this used blood goes into lower right chamber. When lower right chamber contracts, its valve opens and the blood inside it flows through the vessel attached to it. This vessel goes near the lungs to dissolve oxygen in blood, hence makes the blood oxygenated. The oxygenated blood is also red, but here blue color is shown to differentiate it from deoxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood comes into the upper left chamber through a vessel. When this upper left chamber contracts, the pressure inside it increases so that the valve below it opens and this oxygenated blood goes into the lower left chamber. When this lower left chamber contracts, its valve opens and the oxygenated blood inside it flows through the vessel attached to it. This vessel and its numerous branches travels whole of the body, distributing the oxygenated blood to each part including the heart itself. And then deoxygenated blood comes again to the upper right chamber, starting next cycle. This whole cycle completes in less than 1 second, and hence in 1 minute your heart beats about 72 times. Means your heart completes 72 cycles in a minute. It is most commonly listened disease in movies. In doctor's language, it is called myocardial infarction. In this case, the vessels supplying to heart, that is, vessels arising from heart and supplying body including heart itself, are blocked, generally by fat, cholesterol, and due to lack of oxygen, it stops beating if not treated quickly. That's why fat overload is bad for heart and it is advisable to exercise regularly since exercise burns fat. Here are some interesting facts about heart. An adult human has approx 5 liters of blood. Heart never gets tired. It constantly pumps the blood throughout the body whole life without skipping a beat. Heart weighs about 250 grams in females and 300 grams in males. Even after death, heart beats for a short while, since heart has its own brain which also makes sure that it has to beat only about 72 times in a minute. Arteries are the vessels containing oxygenated blood, and veins are the vessels containing deoxygenated blood. The blue vessels you see on your body are veins. Arteries are not visible since they are deep to the veins. Thanks for watching. Our next video will be based on liver.